In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Facebook profile link in 2025. Whether you're trying to share your profile with friends or need the link for any other reason, locating your profile URL is quick and easy. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring every step is clear and straightforward. First, you'll need to open either the Facebook app on your mobile device or navigate to the Facebook website on your desktop browser. If you're using the app, simply tap the app icon to access your account. For those on a computer, just type in facebook.com in your browser's address bar and log in if prompted. Now that you're at the home interface, the next step is to head over to your profile. To do this, look for your profile picture or your name, usually located at the top of the screen, often near the right hand side on the website. Tap or click on your photo or name. This action will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see your posts, friends, photos, and more. Once you're at your profile, you'll notice an option that might be a bit tricky to spot if you're not familiar with recent Facebook updates. You'll need to find the three little dots, which appear horizontally, often referred to as the More menu. These dots are usually located next to the Edit Profile button on your profile page. This might require a tiny bit of scrolling or simply looking carefully around your cover photo, but it's there. After you've located those three dots, give them a tap or click. A small menu will appear, presenting you with several actions you can take. From this menu, look for the option that says Copy Profile Link. This is the magical button that allows you to get the URL for your profile. Go ahead and select Copy Profile Link. Once you do, your profile URL will be copied to your clipboard. This means you can now paste this link wherever you need it, perhaps in a message to a friend, in a document, or maybe on another social media platform. Just go to the location where you want to paste the link and use the paste function, which is typically right click and paste or a quick tap for pasting on mobile devices, and there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've retrieved your Facebook profile link. Sharing your profile is now easier than ever. Remember, these steps work for both the Facebook app and website, so use whichever is most convenient for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.